Be punctual with by mastering deadlines in English. Hello, language learners. Today we're going to explore a very useful preposition of time, the word by. When it comes to talking about deadlines in English, by is your best friend. You'll find it extremely helpful in various contexts, from work to school, to personal projects and plans. Let's dive in and explore how to use by to indicate a deadline. The preposition by is used to indicate a specific time or period within which something should be completed. In simpler words, when we say, the task must be done by Friday, we mean that Friday is the last possible day for the task to be completed. It could be completed before Friday, but not after. Understanding by gets much easier when you see it in context. Let's look at a few sentences. 1. I need the report by tomorrow. This means that the last possible time to receive the report is tomorrow. It could be delivered today, or any time before tomorrow, but not after tomorrow. 2. She has to finish her homework by this evening. This implies that the homework should be completed before or at the time of this evening. 3. We must arrive at the airport by 3 p.m. This indicates that the latest we should be at the airport is 3 p.m. We can arrive earlier, but we should not arrive later than 3 p.m. Remember, by specifies the latest time something should happen, not the exact time it should happen. By can also be used with specific dates or holidays to denote deadlines. For instance, 1. The taxes must be paid by April 15th. The last date to pay your taxes is April 15th. 2. We aim to have the house decorated by Christmas. This means the house should be fully decorated on or before Christmas. And there you have it. That's how to use the preposition by to indicate a deadline in English. Remember, when we use by, we're not saying when something will happen, but the latest time by which it must happen. Practice using by in your daily conversations to express deadlines and you'll soon master it. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep practicing and keep learning. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every little step counts. See you in our next lesson.